What's good, LD? It's your boy LD. And I'm back. And as y'all can see, I'm in my Mercury on the highway right now. Y'all see that sunset, bro. See the vibes right now. And I know I haven't been making no videos about this car, since I've been having it, but here's a video right now for y'all. So I just want to give y'all some stuff about this car, since I've been having it. Roll the windows up. So yeah, first things first, this is a 2000 Mercury Grand Marquis LS. And yeah, this is a V8 4.6 liter engine, and this shit eats up gas type shit. So but for the most part, this is a really smooth, cool, chill, laid back driving car, and this is my personal opinion since I've been having it. It drives so smooth, it cruises, like it coasts, and as I'm, driving, all you gotta do, bro, is hit the gas, accelerate slowly on the gas, and it'll pick up speed. That's how it'll glide and go. And after you let go the gas, that motherfucker just go glide and go. You feel me? So if you know, bro. If you know about Mercury Grand Marquis, then you know. And it's not just my car. I'm pretty sure there's other cars that have this type of feeling or feature, but to be specific about my car, this car has that, feeling. I said feature, but it gives you that feeling of driving. So yeah, bro. I like how spacious it is. For this year model, I guess certain cars came with the digital dashboard instead of it being manual gauge clusters or whatever you want to call it. I think that's what it's called. So fuck. Damn. Yes, I did, baby. See my fucking message. Oh shit. So yeah, my bad, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to get off the highway though right now. So these motherfuckers always speeding right here, bro. No cap. So yeah, bro. Like I said, this video is random, y'all. But I just thought about it. It's damn, bro, I need to be making more videos about my car, or making videos. So yeah, like I said, bro, I like the little digital part for this year model. I like the like I said, how the interior is spacious, and this, I forgot what this called, this little stuff right here, but I like that. I just overall, I just like, like I said, how spacious of a car this is. You and your family can type, this nigga get in over, what is he doing? You can type fucking get on the road with this car, bro, and literally go somewhere, gang. I'm gonna have to put y'all on pause real quick, cause driving out here in LA, you gotta really be on your P's and Q's. People drive like fucking weirdos. Hold on, I'll be right back, y'all. But yeah, man, so I ain't gonna make this video too long though, man. I just want to make this video, so I enjoy my car, bro. I feel like I'm saying too much because I have to think about what I need to say. It's straight from the dome. None of my shit is scripted. None of my videos are scripted. None of it is AI, it's fully me. But anyways, bro, yeah, I really like this car, bro. I feel by far it is one of my favorite cars too out of all the cars I had. My last car was my BMW, and that was my favorite car. If y'all been keeping up with me, y'all know I've been having a lot of Toyotas. Toyotas are my favorite cars. But this Mercury Grand Marquis, yeah, this is one of them right now. And another thing too, if you know this car, like it got like similarities to the Crown Vic, the Ford Crown Vic, bro. Like the Mercury is basically like a cheap luxury, you know, type car. Like it don't give you like no Mercedes Benz, no freaking BMW, even BMW. Like they luxury. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know how certain cars, a Buick or something, you know, like it got that classic luxury type feeling. This Buick, I'm not saying Buick, this Mercury Grand Marquis has that type of vibe and feeling. Yeah, bro. Only thing right now, like I really wish I could recline my seat back so I can really be like chilling all the way back more. But that's like down right now. So that's just something else that I was talk about in the video. But other than that, like, it's just little cosmetic things on this car that I can fix, like the little visor and shit too, or whatever. New windshield wipers, new headlights, you know, little cosmetic things, bro. That's all I really need. But y'all just stay tuned, man, for all the stuff I plan on doing to the car, you know, upgrades, maintenance work, shit like that, you know. So I don't need to name everything, but if you know, you know. So I'm about to get to work. I'm pulling up right here at this location. So if I forgot something, I forgot something. Just leave it in the comments for me. But damn, I'm gonna catch y'all back in the next one though, man. It's your boy, LD Breezy. And y'all boys take it easy. Deuces. Yeah, bruh. My Mercury, bruh. This joint too. Joint steel, bruh. But this right here, I didn't do this, chat. This was already here when I, you know, bought the car. So yeah, you know, Mercury, as y'all can see. But probably upgrade the headlights. Got a little dent right here. You know, these rims are the stock rims. You know, that one over there is like, you know, some dummy shit, but it's an actual tire because I caught a flat not too long ago. So yeah, I like this little dial pad looking thing too. It'll work, see it works, but I guess I gotta like get it programmed to where I can push it and then boom. So I won't have to use my key. But that's what I was told, we'll see. Y'all see, I got the 5% tint, you know, nothing too major. Why is my light still on? Probably because one of the doors is open. Yeah. So this is him. Why's my light still on, bro? Okay, it turned off. So yeah, now y'all can see 5%. I would have got 20, but not too dark. Yeah. I might go upgrade to 20, we'll see, but 5% is pretty decent. You can't go with it. Can't go wrong with that. Or is it 20? 5 or 20? I don't know. I be getting confused off the tint darkness. But y'all can see this is not the darkest one. So yeah, just the whip right here. You know what I'm saying? My Mercury. Now, this right here, bro. This car is rear-wheel drive, so this tire right here spins if I was to do a burnout. You know what I'm saying? But stay tuned. Burnouts coming soon. More burnouts and donuts. You know, but yeah, it's my Mercury. I don't know what color this is specifically. I was trying to look. The door's locked already, man. Okay, door's locked. But yeah, I don't even want to walk around. But usually, if y'all don't know, if you want to look at like the body color of your car or the weight or whatever, it's on the door. You know what? I'm I'm not gonna be difficult. Let me just show y'all so y'all can believe me even more. And it's usually like, well, for this car, it's on the back doors. But yeah. I really want to know what I'm doing right now. I got a security shirt on. It's because I'm at work right now. Little under the table gig. Shout out to my pops. But yeah, so it's not on this door, as I can see. This is what I was talking about. It's not in the front. Yeah, I'm over trying to tell y'all the weight class and the color of the car, because I don't know the color to be exact. Let me know in the comments what color y'all think this is. Dang, dude. Okay, here it is right here. Found it. Ford Mercury. Y'all see that? Let me zoom in for y'all. Ford Mercury. PSI supposed to be at 32. Where's the color? I don't know. Maybe I should ask ChatGPT. I'll find out what color this is, but Ford/Mercury. Y'all see it? Another thing too, I like how the doors close. Like how it sounds. Like it sounds all like heavy duty. Feel me? Watch this door. That door sound is lit, bro. So yeah, bro. Again, I know I said it like a lot in this video. This is my Mercury.